Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. How you doing, YouTubers? I need your help. How would you like to help design the next new improvement in composite decking? I just need you to go to my website and take a quick survey. I'm standing on my own composite deck right now. The lower one over my shoulder was built about 5 years ago. I did that one, but this big long one behind me, this one here, well, that was built by the original builder who built the house. Anyway, imagine if you could design the next new composite deck material. What would it be like? Tell me, I need to know. And if you put your name and email address in the survey, guess what? You're going to get 2 really great PDF documents. You're not going to want to miss those. They're free, no cost, no obligation, blah, blah, blah. Just go to go.askthebuilder.com/deck survey. All right, go there and fill out the form and answer the questions. You're going to love it. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.